Hi everyone, welcome to week number 5. This week we're looking at TMJ and cervical spine assessment. For week 5, the cervical spine materials you'll find in the week 5 folder, and if you click on that, everything is there. The lesson plan, which kind of dictates what we're doing for the day itself. The Cornell notes and the weekly slides, both in PowerPoint and Google Slide format. The lab handout, and again I'll have that printed out for you. And a variety of special tests in video format. I've also included them in the Google Slides just for ease of access. These are, again, from our friends Physio Tutor. All the tests that we're looking at tomorrow are included here just for reference purposes. And finally, at the bottom, you'll find that there's an optional resource section. And here, there's a no marks quiz based on cervical spine assessment, as well as the Vernon-Meyer Neck Disability Index, because, again, we're talking about the cervical spine. The other thing you should be looking at today is, or this week rather, is finalizing your thoughts on the assignment, who you're going to partner off with, and what condition or pathology you're interested in exploring. I'll be looking to actually get that information tomorrow, just for purposes of planning. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. Otherwise, I will see you in class. See ya. Bye.